Oh, that was a big one. Pink poop.
Hello, good morning, you guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back today. We are filming bright and early again, just like we used to before 8 a.m. So we're a little tired here. Somebody woke us up before 5. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know which one of you. Both of you. Lovely.
No, it was you.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. We are tired and we have a very busy day. So let's get into it. We are making
Carrot cake!
Yes! Yay, you guys knew. I'm so excited. We are making carrot cake. This is going to be our Easter dessert.
I was gonna say carrot.
We're gonna make carrot muffins too. We're gonna make carrot.
Oh my god.
What? We're just going to go ahead and start shredding our carrots. You don't like carrot.
I can try one.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you're just gonna bite into that.
He loves these muffins though, let me tell you. You are going to peel 2 to 3 carrots. We're gonna see how much we get. You want about 1 1/3 cups of shredded carrots. So we're gonna do this really quick. Okay, we're back. I shredded, that took a bit of time. So we have about 1 1/3 cups of shredded carrots. I did not pat them down. I did not dry anything. We are going to pour all of our wet ingredients into a little tiny blender. We are using some silken tofu. Who wants to help me here?
Not me.
We are going to use 4 ounces of applesauce. I'm going to pour that in. Try to get all of it in. Mia, I'm going to let you do.
I need a spoon to cut a cake in it.
Okay.
Oh, that was a big one. Pink poop.
Nice job. All right.
That's just butt and then the poop is coming.
Okay, that's quite enough. 4 ounces of applesauce. Here you go. Throw that out for me, please. 4 ounces of silken tofu. So this is 16 ounces. So we're gonna do about 1/4 of the package. Do you want to grab the tofu for me?
I'm scared.
Just kind of scoop and try to get it all in there. Happy in my heart. Nice.
Ew, disgusting.
Good job.
Disgusting, I don't want that.
Promise.
Fudge.
Ooh, promise you won't taste it.
Tastes like imaginary tofu. You're just imagining tofu.
You've just set sail on the SS Imagination.
We're gonna blend it all up. You won't taste it. Oh my gosh, this tofu is flying everywhere. Okay, let's put this aside. 1/2 cup of maple syrup.
Mix.
Everything's in 4s. 4 tablespoons of butter.
Done?
4,
Something?
perfect.
Okay, done.
4 ounces of silken tofu. 4 ounces of, okay, everything goes right in. Nice. Great job, great job. You're okay. Good job.
Now we put the top on.
We got a little vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla.
Now we see.
Hold on, vanilla first, hold on. Teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're just gonna blend this all up. All right, good?
Yay! What, can I press the button?
Yes.
Oh.
You can both press it.
Done.
Now Mia's turn.
Okay.
Now it's Mia's turn.
That was there.
Okay, the kids are off playing, so I'm gonna let them while I do the flour really quick. I'm using 3 different types of flour as usual. Here is the white whole wheat that I use. It's in here so you guys can't tell which kind it is, and I get a lot of questions about it. I believe Whole Foods stopped selling it. I just bought it in bulk at Target. You can use any kind of flour you would like, but just get about 2 1/4 cups of flour. I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of almond flour. I use this Bob's Red Mill, and it's the blanched, super fine. So I'm not doing this super accurately, but that is okay. We never do. 1 cup of white whole wheat and 1 cup of spelt. That's what I'm using. So I did not use any white flour in this recipe. Here we have 2 1/4 cups of flour. Mia is going to pour 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to stir?
Make it look darker.
Yep. Now Max, you're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Nutmeg.
Pour this in. Little bit of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Max, pour it in, all of it.
White. I don't like it.
It is white. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Of baking soda. we have all of our dry ingredients. We are just going to pour the wet into the dry. We are not going to over mix this.
Okay, sir? No,
Okay,
no,
pour
you
that.
pour.
You have to be so careful. All of it in, very carefully. All of it in. I need that. Can you grab that blue thing? It's very important that we don't overmix. I'm going to show the camera how we do it. You want to pour the carrots in?
Look, can I pour carrots?
Mia, pour the carrots in?
Oh, that's the
So-
big one.
That's okay. You just did the wet, so she's doing the bigger one. Pour them in. So we're gonna fold everything together. You guys do not want to over mix this. It's very important that it just gets blended. If you see a little bit of flour, that is all right. It's better than over mixing. You don't want this to be gummy or too dense.
I know, like the batter.
You want to like the batter?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am using an 8-inch cake pan. If you have a 9-inch, you should be fine. But I felt I had too much batter for the cake pan, so I made 4 muffins alongside of the cake. I think we're gonna actually try to do 6 muffins this time because they really liked these as muffins. So maybe we do 6 and we see what we get left over for the cake. Just might not be as big of a cake. Then we're gonna make a cream cheese frosting to go on top of this.
Is it muffins?
Yeah, we're gonna, don't touch. These. Count these out for me, see how many of those you get. Just like, I think 6.
I'm gonna take them all out.
No, you don't need to. Okay, since we are making 6 muffins, we are just going to use a small 8-inch cake pan. Again, if you're not making muffins and you just want cake, you can either do 2 of these or use a larger pan, like a 9-inch pan, something of that nature. But we're gonna grease this with olive oil. We are also going to add a little brown sugar on top. If you're adding walnuts, these kids do not want walnuts inside the batter. But if you would like walnuts, add those in when you add the carrots in. Yes. So you can see my batter isn't completely, totally mixed. There's some flour that I can see here, but I'm okay with that.
I'm gonna be able to lick all of that.
No! We're gonna put a little bit of brown sugar on the tops because these are not gonna get the frosting. These we will eat for snack for breakfast. And the muffins won't take quite as long. They're gonna be about 20 minutes as opposed to the cake, which is gonna be about 25. We'll put them right here. All right, we're just gonna grease this. And we're gonna pour the batter in, see what we get. Pretty thick. That's okay.
Yeah, you know how many there are?
You can go like that.
And the spoon.
We're just gonna press it down and we'll make the cream cheese frosting while this is in the oven. This is going in at 350 for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes. And the muffins I'll pull out probably at 19 or so.
Look how many there are.
Oh my Lord, I didn't even notice what was going on over there.
I'm gonna take them all out.
No, you don't need to.
No, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Like,
Oh my gosh. What did you do? I wasn't even paying attention.
okay, let me put them all back.
Okay, sounds good. So we'll be back.
We'll be back.
I am using Kite Hill plain cream cheese. Now, this is a bit tangy. I was considering using a different one this time around, but everyone loved it. The tanginess really grew on me, so I'm gonna stick with it. We're gonna use a whole tub. It makes a ton of frosting. We are gonna add a bit of powdered sugar to it. Now, if you don't like the tangy flavor and you're using dairy-free cream cheese that happens to also be a little on the tangy side, just use a bit more powdered sugar. I'm just gonna use about 1/3 of a cup, but if you need to use a 1/2 cup, that's fine. And it's just a little bit of vanilla, and that's it. And you're just gonna beat it. And then refrigerate it while the carrot cake is baking. A little bit of vanilla, and that's it.
You're happy face, Mia. You're silent, Mia. Mia, you're not silent. You're happy.
Okay, we're back. Our cake has cooked. This is what we got when we also did 6 muffins. You guys can eat your muffins. I'm gonna have a piece of cake I realized I could just put some walnuts right on the top of the cake. How'd they come out? Good? Is it a little hot? It's not totally cool, so I really shouldn't frost it quite yet. But you know what? Maybe I will just cut a little piece. This is my breakfast. So here's what I'm gonna do.
Mommy gave me cake.
Yes, it is a cake, honey.
And
Ooh, okay. Ooh, do you see that steam? Yeah.
it's like a pie. Yeah, pie. Your pie. I love apple.
All right, I'm gonna put a little frosting.
No, actually, like pumpkin. I want frosting.
I know you don't. Don't worry. Okay. Here, I'll put it on the side. I'm gonna sprinkle mine with a little bit of walnuts. So, guys, because I did 6 muffins, my cake didn't need quite as much time in the oven. I pulled it out at 22 minutes and it is done. Look at this. Ooh, I'm excited for that. I'm gonna get a fork. With my coffee, this is gonna taste so good. You ate so fast. Okay, ready? Cheers. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. It did not need more than those 22 minutes. I'm glad I pulled it. Next time I'm actually thinking, because it's thick enough, I could almost cut it in half and put a layer of frosting in the middle. I'm so glad you like it.
Did this taste the same?
They're really carroty. I love them. All right, you guys, we hope you loved this carrot cake recipe and we hope you try it. Let us know if you do how it goes for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you watched it, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.